What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to actually use the Claude AI to get the notes from the smart digital book. So obviously if you're using a smart digital book and you want the Claude AI to actually help you out with the notes, you are on the right video. So I have crafted a prompt which will act as the following: act as an expert knowledge synthesizer and technical analyst. I am providing you the text from a book because this is what we need to do because it's a digital book and we can provide the text. And even if it's not a digital book, you had a hard copy, you can still go ahead, use your phone, take a picture of what line you want, highlight the line, and then just go ahead and drop the picture in the Claude textbook page over here, like the one we have. So now what we have is a new chat where we are going to drop the this prompt. I want you to read it and produce a book intelligence report. Format your response exactly according to this section. Central thesis: state the core argument in two sentences. What is the author trying to prove? Then we will go further and see the core framework, identification, any specific systems, methodology, or mental model introduced. Explain how they work step by step. If author uses a specific terminology, define it clearly. Evidence quality critique: the evidence used to support the thesis is the argument based on the empirical data, personal anecdotes, or logical deductions. Point out any obvious blind spots or the area where the reasoning is weak. So this is the complete 5 points package. You just have to drop the text and it will get you what you want with the notes. And that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.